Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, your daily dose of productivity. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna tell you like my personal experience. If you're someone struggling in life right now, like you keep relapsing, you keep going back to the fucking junk food, keep opening up the porn, you keep just fucking fapping. This video is gonna end it all for you. Trust me, I'm not like the other fucking YouTubers who like 30-day no fap challenge. Do this to fix your life. Yeah. No. I'm actually gonna tell you what you need to do. So, before I begin this video, it's so cringe to say, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, guys. Help a small YouTuber out. Please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Go do that right now. And also, before we begin this video, I provide my personal productivity and detoxing coaching if you are someone struggling with just your brain health, bro. Just you're not able to focus, you're not able to read, you're not even present while talking to your mother while she tells you her stories. Like, that's a very sad existence to live, man. So that's why I provide that personal productivity coaching. It's the first link in the description below. You can click on it right now. And we'll just hop on a call. We'll see if we're a good fit. We vibe together. And I'll help you, bro. I'll help you just be more productive. Your grades will skyrocket. You'll work harder. You'll be successful in your business, whatever thing you're trying to do. Because your productivity is so important. So click on the first link in the description right now. Now back onto the video that you came here to watch. So let me tell you my story first. It's 2022, early 2022. I've woken up. I have dreams of being an entrepreneur. Like, I know I want to do something productive, right? Because at that time, I wanted to be a fucking gaming YouTuber. You can scroll down, click on like the oldest video. There's like an option if you click on my channel, video tab, oldest video. You can see I've uploaded like fucking gaming videos. I had like this friend as well. He helped me edit those videos because I was doing this shitty Starbucks job. To be honest, it was not shitty. Like, it was kind of shitty, okay? I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, I had dreams. I wanted to do something for myself. I was trying to do. But it turned out I started getting on self-improvement instead of fucking video games. So it kind of worked out for me. So yeah, I was still not able to do that, bro. Can you guess why? I had terrible habits. My productivity was so bad. I was living in a rut, literally. Imagine that, bro. Close your eyes right now. Imagine you want to do the work. You want to start your business. Each day, when you're trying to do it, your brain gets distracted. You open up a new tab. You start watching porn. You open up the fucking Call of Duty or fucking, I don't even remember the games. Elden Ring. You open up fucking Elden Ring or Minecraft. And at the same time, bro, your brain is bullying you right then and there. Like, you're a fucking pussy. Why are you doing this right now? You're supposed to work on this thing that you said. You were supposed to go to the gym. You were supposed to read. What are you doing? You haven't fucking talked to your parents. You're a fucking piece of shit. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? You're just getting bullied, bro. Imagine living that existence. I was living that existence 24/7 for 1 year. And I think like around mid-2022 was when I 180'd my life, bro. Not even 180, bro. What the fuck? I 360'd my life. Yeah, good times, man. Those are some. Yeah, so what I actually did was I had a fuck this event. If you're actually struggling in life right now and you haven't had like a moment where like, man, fuck this, I'd rather just go all in, or I just want to end my life. I know a lot of these fucking pussies now, they're gonna feel it offensive when I talk about like dark stuff, like ending their life. But that's the truth. You need to realize this, my bro. I'm gonna talk to you like a little, like you're my little bro right now. You need to realize this. You're not gonna take action if you're not dissatisfied with life. I was dissatisfied with life. That's why I started going to the gym. That's why I started being productive. That's why I 360 in my life. If I was just satisfied like fucking fapping, watching porn, just no attention from women, just staying inside playing fucking video games, watching videos like this, I would not be here. So first thing is you need to be dissatisfied with life. The second thing is you need a good boat that you can get into that will take you to the destination you want to go. And in this case, you want to become the newest version of yourself. As Sam Owens says, the alchemy 2.0, the 2.0 version of yourself. I think Sam Owens said that. I don't believe in that anymore, but Charlie Morgan said that it's still useful. So you need to create this like identity document. I'll put mine right here right now so you can just try to see how it works. So kind of like this, okay? So the first thing, you've had to fuck this event where you're like, man, fuck this. I'd rather fucking end my life or go all in. You had to fuck this event. The second thing, you have created this identity document. Now the third most important thing, you are your biggest fucking enemy. Nobody else is gonna stop you from achieving these goals. You know the fuck part? You are gonna stop yourself. This like shitty version of you. So we need you to kill yourself. This trash version of you need to die so you can be more productive. That's why we want you to just kill this identity and get into like a new identity, a new routine, a new version of you, a new environment, a new clothing that you wear, a new, maybe even like new hairstyle. So you can become this new person that you are meant to be, that you want to become. So you will change your identity. And how you'll do that? By creating your identity document. And the next thing, by getting onto the habits. And the habits, I have a 21-day Notion template. Click on that right now. It's a second link. It's for free. You don't need to pay me anything. I'm not asking any money. Click on that right now. Follow it for like 21 days. It'll fucking change your life. It'll transform your life. So you can download that. It's the second link in the description. Go download it right now and come back on this video afterwards. Or you can download it afterwards, basically. So you're going to get on those habits. You're going to follow those. And of course, you're going to mess up. You're not going to be perfect. Maybe one random day you'll end up watching fucking bullshit YouTube videos. Or you'll end up fapping. You'll find yourself playing video games. It's okay. It's normal. But as long as you're consistent, you are going to feel that, holy fuck, bro, I'm changing at like such rapid rate. And that's going to feel so amazing. So that's all I have to say. If you just follow that template, if you change your identity, if you feel dissatisfied, you've had the fuck this event, like, fuck this, man, I want to change, I can't do this anymore. You will fucking change, bro. Just do that, just fucking do that. So click that Notion template, download it right now. And if you do want my personal one-on-one coaching, I provide it as the sales link. First go on the first link in the description below. We'll quickly hop, bro. We'll see if we're like a good friendly vibe. There's a good vibe going on. We'll see if we're good. It sounds kind of gay, but whatever, bro. So click on the first link in the description right now. And as always, if there's some essential work you need to do, make it effortless. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys.